Hello, I'm Uzo Akpele, a U.S. immigration lawyer. I help people navigate U.S. immigration law no matter where they're located, inside the U.S., outside the U.S. In this video, I'll answer a question which I get asked many times. How long is it going to take before I get my green card? And the answer is, it depends on, number one, how fast the USCIS and the U.S. consulates are processing cases, and more importantly, the status of your U.S. petitioner and your relationship to your petitioner. Because you see, U.S. immigration law classifies foreign-born persons as either immediate relatives or preference categories. So you are an immediate relative when you're the parent, the spouse, or the child under the age of 21 of a U.S. citizen. Every person who is not an immediate relative is a preference category relative. And this category includes children 21 and over of U.S. citizens, spouses and unmarried children under 21 of green card holders, unmarried children over 21 of green card holders, and siblings of U.S. citizens. The U.S. government says that there's no limitation to the number of immigrant visas available for immediate relatives, ever. So there's never really a backlog for them. But preference relatives are allotted a certain number of visas every year. So there's always more immigrant visa seekers than the number of immigrant visas available, leading to a backlog. If you're a preference relative, you have to wait for a visa number to become available to you. And in addition to the number limitations, not more than a certain number of visas can be issued to persons from any one country each year. So if there's more people from your country seeking immigrant visas, you'll be affected doubly. And all these lead to the delays, which we know we experience sometimes when people are trying to get a green card. So the answer, I guess, in short, is that while it could take a while for a person to get their green card, all depends on whether the USCIS is moving fast and also whether they are an immediate or preference relative. You know, although the wait may be long for the preference categories, the more important thing is to go ahead and have your U.S. relation file that petition on your behalf. Because in all cases, your wait time starts on the date when the relative petition on your behalf was filed. Till next time.